This is a scientific paper video publication, the DiPietro Hypothesis, How the Solar System Evolved. Introducing 4 scientific planetary mysteries that scientists can't figure out. Scientists say all planets formed in a protoplanetary disk. Our solar system was not formed that way, DiPietro Hypothesis. Red dwarf star with massive stardust debris field. DiPietro Hypothesis. All terrestrial planets formed from gathered stardust, star waste, ice, and debris, aka dust of all the elements in the universe. For billions of years, dust was pulled into our star from the debris disk with the riches of the galaxy, DiPietro Hypothesis. In a short geologic time frame, one by one, 4 planets dripped off at the equator bulge into the gravity disk of this new awakening star planet maker, our sun, DiPietro Hypothesis. The moon is not from a collision, as a giant impact theory suggests. The moon is from the molten umbilical attached to the Earth. When the Earth dripped from our star planet maker into its gravity disk, DiPietro Hypothesis. DiPietro Hypothesis solves where all the water came from and the abundance of water on Mars, Venus, and especially Earth. All the water on Earth, Venus, and Mars came from the North and South Pole ice caps and cool spots on our star planet maker, the early sun, DiPietro Hypothesis. Four terrestrial planets with water. The Earth was never a fiery molten sphere. DiPietro Hypothesis. The Earth was never a hot, fiery molten sphere, as they say in every science book, video, and lecture. From the lithosphere to the core, the Earth was molten. On the surface, 58 million square miles of landmass. Yes, toasty. Surrounding air is 2.7 Kelvin, negative 454.81 Fahrenheit. The landmass surrounded by a slurry of glacial ice, slush, and water. Earth's first landmass, 4.5 billion years ago. Landmass floating like a donut on the lithosphere, like slag in a plumber's lead pot. Protogaia, the Earth's first landmass. Protogaia is surrounded by glacial ice, steaming, creating the beginning of Earth's atmosphere, the DiPietro Hypothesis. Earth, 4.5 billion years ago. This scientific paper, published via video on YouTube, the DiPietro Hypothesis solves how the planets are born, how the moon materialized, where all the water came from, and Earth was not a fiery sphere. See the full DiPietro Hypothesis at www.edison.com. Thank you for coming on this journey. We want all ages to participate. Stay tuned up. Craters, and more false craters. The late heavy bombardment, what really happened? Stay tuned. Keep following for clues to the creation of our solar system. A new beginning in planetary science. Until next time, at DSPFV Studio, YouTube. Check our videos out. Stuart King music, out of this world. Watch it again. Let it soak in. DiPietro Hypothesis.